Hey guys, what's up? It's the Lightspeed Cubing here, which is my new name as I've come back into cubing and stuff and whatever. And today we have got a new unboxing to do. This is gonna be my new main 3x3 and some here and there some additional equipment that I'll be using.
I gave you my heart.
So let's get right into the unboxing. So as you see, I've already opened the box. So well, there's no need of this. Let's just keep it aside and let's go in. Yes, the MGC Elite box. So the box design, I kind of liked it. It's a little unique from most boxes because of this kind of like a golden finish on it. There's a lot of fingerprints there. And okay, and it's quite smaller than what I expected, to be honest. There's one small photo over there of the MGC Elite, and let's keep that aside and see what else is in the box. So with the MGC Elite, I also brought some Cubelello Swift lube. It basically means that it's weight 2 lube. So okay, and I got one sand. That's good. Yeah. And what else can we see over here? A small card. I'll just have a look on it and stuff. That's useless. And let's go right into the cube. So I guess I will actually need this. And let's open this up. So let's just get this. Let's cut it off. And let's tear it like an absolute maniac. Yep. Let's throw that aside and look at the boxing. The feeling is quite different, and to be honest, I shouldn't be commenting that much upon the boxing, but let's get right into it. So, the fun part, the falling down. Okay, it isn't falling down that well. It spoiled everything. So there's some MGC Elite card. So I think these are just the instructions and stuff, how to do this. And yeah, like this cube has adjustable magnets with screwdriver which you can customize to strong or weak. And here there's one easy adjustable spring compression. And let's see the box. So the cube is right here in the plastic cover, but I want to get to it last. So let's just see. And now this place is getting messy. Let me just clean it up. So all of the useless stuff aside, let's see this box. I know who this guy is. I'm assuming some kind of YJ guy. And okay, is this like a keychain or something? I can see these are like magnets. And there's some keychain thing. So I'll check this. There's some magnets over here, extra magnets. Can use them later. There's some stickers. Why? I mean, like, why? Then let's check this. And this is some kind of key. Oh wait, this rotates. Oh, wait, let it focus. And this is some kind of screwdriver. Wait, even this thing rotates. Oh, it's some kind of a screwdriver kind of thing. So like, I don't know, this is to adjust the magnets and stuff, most likely. And there's one more thing. There's this thing. Oh wait, it's an instruction booklet. It just tells you how to solve the cube. And which instructions is this? Oh yeah, it's beginners. That's useless for me. And let's go right into the cube. From the starting only, I can feel it's quite a little smaller than what I'm used to. But let's just open it. Okay, I'm not gonna cut it like that. It's just too irritating for me. And I'm just gonna take a cutter and cut it open. So, okay, this is way worse than what I thought. Okay, the removing of the plastic I'm not that fond of. Oh, that was hard. So now I can just open this, and first impressions, the plastic feeling is great. Oh, so the plastic feeling is great. Let's just look at the shades. The sticker, it's kind of indented. If you can see that reflection over there, it's kind of indented. So I'm pretty sure you won't be able to remove that. And even if you like scrape it off, there'll be some indents left. But even the indents will look pretty cool, so I don't care. And let's look at the shades. So, okay, I like the shades a lot. The green's kind of a little dark, and every shade's almost perfect. So now let's do first turns. It's kind of dry. Okay, it's kind of dry and stuff. Yeah, you can hear that noise over there. And the magnetic feeling is great. And let's try test out its corner cutting. Oh, that was good. Okay, you can corner cut from there. Okay, I think you can't corner cut. Oh wait, you can. It doesn't corner cut on half, but it does corner cut above half. So that was the corner cutting. It's pretty good corner cutting, I'll say. And let's check the reverse. Oh, okay, I messed up there. So it kind of feels it's like on this mark over here. This kind of touches the first line. Yeah, let's try to go a little above there. Okay, it doesn't work. Yeah, and that's the corner cutting. I'll say it's pretty good. Yep, it's like my first cube who has like nice corner cutting. And I don't know why this feels like a PVC coating. It's like so smooth, you can see from outside. So I'm done with adjusting the magnets, and strong feels pretty good. Wait, what am I doing? Instead of doing like that, which I like to do, I'm doing like this. Yep, it just shows the reverse corner cutting qualities. And well, and finally, I like this cube. I will just mess around with the tensions and stuff to find the best one. And yeah, it's a pretty great cube. I like the magnetic system. But before we do that, we need to break this open and check its pieces. So I've opened these pieces, and now let's just check this. I really like the design of the edges sides, how they look from there when you open it. I really like that. As you can see, there are some tracks over here, and well, it can't just get to focus. Oh yeah, as you can see, there are some amount of tracks over there which can help a little, I feel. And it's pretty looped around these torpedoes. It's a pretty weird torpedo design, I'd say. Like as you see over here, it's full round, and the corners I really like the look of the corners, the white internals and stuff. And the edges, the outside looks good. The torpedo kind of looks out of place, and like they just come together over here. So let's see the pieces, how they come together and stuff. Yeah, and I don't know why this indent is given over here, but it is given. And if we see inside into the core, which I can just remove these pieces and check, it's a pretty standard core. It's a blue core and then some sticks coming out of it, I'll say. And yeah, everything looks normal other than the corners and the edge. And it's a pretty great cube. So now that I've unboxed this cube, I've actually taken a lot of time to get used to it. And I just removed the sticker, as you can see over here. And if you guys want, I can give you the settings and stuff. It's on strong magnets, as you can see by the arrow over here. And it's on tensions, the highest tensions, well, I think 6. And well, I've put in some weight 3 to slow it down a little. And I like this cube. This is gonna be my new main, and its grip is also pretty nice. So yeah, I recommend this cube a lot, as it's a pretty nice cube and the corner cutting is just great.